Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we're going to talk about dining room trends. As we venture into the design landscape of the future, new trends make culinary delights even tastier in tasteful interiors. It's time to dust off the dining room and venture into exciting dining room trends. From trending dining table designs that redefine elegance to chairs that epitomize style, let's take a look at refreshing inspirations. Curated dining rooms are poised to unveil a new era of design ideas. The main focus is sustainability, a fusion of styles, a fresh emphasis on soft shapes, and a new take on classic designs. Moreover, the tendencies are set to strike a harmonious balance between style and function. The design world is embracing eco-consciousness, tranquility, and creativity in a shift from traditional norms. In return, this year's dining rooms will not only be visually stunning but also attuned to the needs of modern day life. So, let's get started. Dining room ideas will transform the spaces with organic shapes, and the same applies to traditionally rigid elements like cabinetry. Expect more sinuous and organically shaped storage solutions, departing from conventional sharp angles and simple lines. These curvaceous and organic designs add a touch of visual intrigue and create a harmonious flow within a dining room, boosting the overall aesthetic. The classic style trend for dining rooms is impeccably complemented by exquisite flooring choices. With their endless variations, marble and wood reign supreme in creating an elegant and redefined ambience. As for the design appearance, we expect to witness more patterned choices, like the resurgence of traditional herringbone parquet. The high gloss finish also stands out as a significant interior design trend, highlighting precious materials and mirrored surfaces. Trending dining room table sets and unique chairs celebrate eclecticism with a strong nod to classic design staples. A fusion of styles, like modern meets vintage, creates a unique, notably personalized ambience. Layered lighting and opulent materials, along with mixing and matching different elements, allow for a dynamic and visually engaging space. Dining room ideas place a strong emphasis on refinement. Inspired by classic designs, they delve into the world of sophisticated materials, using surfaces and finishes as opulent embellishments that perfectly align with the fluidity of graceful contours. All these elements come together in synergy to ooze an enduring elegance, translating the timeless allure into the new age. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Dining table design trends shift towards a captivating revival of timeless designs. Classic styles are getting a contemporary makeover with unexpected materials and innovative shapes. From elegant marble-top tables with sculptural bases to sleek wood and glass surfaces adorned with artistic patterns, these tables redefine the notion of elegance. Simultaneously, statement-making designs are fortifying their presence with organic and bold fashion-forward aesthetics, pushing the boundaries of conventional dining room decor. Adaptability is the key feature of trending dining tables. Tables with adjustable heights, expandable surfaces, and built-in storage cater to the evolving needs of growing families and remote workers alike. Whether it's a cozy dinner or a grand feast, these tables effortlessly accommodate the fluid requirements of modern life. Dining chairs are no longer just functional elements, but are evolving into artistic statements themselves. The dining room trends thrive on sculptural designs that captivate the eye and elevate the dining experience. Mix and match seating arrangements gain even more popularity, allowing for strikingly curated dining spaces. Sustainable, environmentally conscious approaches in furnishing have been evolving over the years, which naturally reflects in dining room trends. Eco-chic tendencies fuse style and responsibility, where repurposed materials and sustainable sourcing synergize with nature-inspired design. From upcycled, organically shaped dining tables to curvy chairs crafted from recycled plastic or sustainable bamboo, these choices not only embrace the beauty of nature but also leave a smaller ecological footprint. This year welcomes a transformation in dining room design, unveiling enchanting lighting trends that redefine the essence of family dinners and get-togethers. Embracing a fusion of technology and tradition alongside artistic flair, we witness a seamless amalgamation of the past and the present. Lighting takes a dramatic turn, with artistic and giant chandeliers stealing the show. Unique sculptural lighting fixtures will become statement pieces, casting a captivating glow over dining tables. Meanwhile, the revival of classic Vogue blends traditional and modern elements, exemplified by LED bulbs emulating the cozy, candlelit ambience. Dining room lighting trends thrive on the integration of smart lighting technology in feasting interiors. From adjustable color temperatures to voice-activated controls, homeowners have the power to customize lighting to suit the occasion. Creating a bespoke ambience for every meal opens a world of possibilities, turning even a quiet dinner at home into an experience. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.